just pulling out with the van. Just negotiated the time now, but you can see where we have to come out this way. I'll just let gravity slide it. I do try this with one hand. Here we coming down. You can see where the rut, all the water is still coming down it. And if I've got the stuff in the back secured, it'll all start falling all over the place. You can see a fair bit of water coming down from there. It goes into that drainage ditch. Oh, look how heavily it was raining here. This ditch here just keeps getting bigger. This one here, so I think we'll turn that into a bit of a ditch. Build the road up to the left-hand side. Look at how the water runs there, it runs there, and then over the edge there. You get to the bottom here, it all just turns into a slot. Back at the house, let's see if we use momentum to get up. Oh, almost made it.